Surrounded by darkness, a vibrant world bursts to life on your screen. What awaits you? Customers rave about their experiences with this remarkable television's stunning picture and sound quality. The OLED display dazzles with exquisite colors, depth, and clarity, transforming any space. Many see this TV as a treasure, offering great value for its impressive brightness and performance. A few complaints about fulfilling setup and functionality have emerged, raising eyebrows and concerns among users. Among customer feedback, the glowing praise for picture quality resonates loud and clear. A customer proclaims, "Picture-perfect quality with deep blacks. It's no exaggeration. Can you believe it?" Others echo this sentiment, highlighting the built-in AI that optimizes viewing experiences without a hitch. The HDR highlights seem to leap off the screen, immersing you in every cinematic moment. Customers claim the TV offers clarity surpassing that of a movie theater, transforming home entertainment. Impressive support for SDR, HDR, and Dolby Vision Atmos elevates the viewing experience, making it truly satisfying. Each detail comes to life, from movies to video games, enhancing the thrill of every moment spent watching. Users describe gaming on this TV as an exhilarating adventure, seamlessly connecting to their consoles. 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs at 144 Hz cater perfectly to the needs of the passionate PC gamer. Yet, there's a curious divide regarding the TV's remote control. Opinions are sharply polarized among users. Some adore the intuitive design, while others lament its lack of user-friendliness for those with shaky hands. The setup experience is equally varied, with some finding it a breeze while others scratch their heads in confusion. Mixed feedback hints at an OS that could prove clunky and overwhelming, igniting frustration in some users. Despite minor issues, customers oftentimes praise the impressive onboard sound quality and audio settings. The clarity and richness of sound eliminate the immediate need for an external soundbar, they claim. However, just an extra $150 for a wireless subwoofer can elevate the experience to new heights. Customers delve into discussions about value for money, with many declaring this TV a worthy investment. The OLED display's brilliant contrast and color serve as undeniable proof that you get what you pay for. Vivid brightness lights up rooms, making even the darkest scenes come alive with clarity and depth. Yet a few express concerns over certain functionalities becoming problematic, casting shadows on the satisfaction. Struggling with Alexa functionality, some users find themselves yearning for more reliability from their devices. A reviewer points out that while the magic wand function may not suit all, there's a learning curve. Ultimately, the consensus tilts towards satisfaction, fueled by remarkable experiences with picture quality. As a user notes, investing in a separate soundbar can complete your immersive viewing adventure. The seamless connectivity and compatibility with devices provide a harmonious experience everyone craves. This captivating television promises an enthralling merger of technology and artistry, leaving viewers enchanted. Experience home entertainment redefined. Your journey to ultimate viewing pleasure begins here. Don't miss out.